Hi everyone, it is Tokumbo, and if you've been getting tired of the ever-increasing cost of skincare products, I have very great news for you today. So we're going to be talking about one of the cheapest ingredients in skincare. It is called charcoal. Yes, charcoal is known for its cleansing abilities and purification abilities. But guess what? It can do so much more than that, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So get a pen and come and jot a few things down for yourself. So what are one of the things you can do with charcoal? The first thing will be our body and face scrub. So basically, activated charcoal has the ability to purify your face and body. You can even check whenever you go into a store. Whenever you pick up a facial mask or a body scrub, one of the ingredients you will find in it is our charcoal. So how do you create a DIY charcoal scrub in your own house? The first thing is to get an activated charcoal. You grind it into a powder form, then you mix it with water. Once you have a thick solution, the next thing is to apply the solution on your face and any part of your body you would like to scrub. Then all you do is massage in this application on your face and body, and then you rinse it off with lukewarm water, and there you have it. You have a glowing skin all over it. The second thing you can do with charcoal is get a pore shrinking mask. So for people with large pores on their faces and have very flawless skin, this is a problem people like to cure. So what can you do with charcoal? First is that you can actually get a charcoal powder and then mix it with water. Once you have mixed it with water, you then apply it on your nose, your forehead, your chin and your jaws, or any part of your face that is quite sweaty. Then you leave it to dry out. Once it is dried out, then you rinse it off with like lukewarm water. Once you've done that, you get a moisturizer and apply it on your face so as to prevent it from drying out. The third thing we're going to talk about today is oil control masks. And basically, excessive oil is the cause of acne and uncomfortable skin problems, and this is something charcoal can help you with. And how can you do this? It's just by getting a charcoal mixture with water. And how can charcoal help you with this situation? It is for you to get a charcoal powder and mix it in water, then add a few drops of tea tree oil. Once you've done this, you apply it on your nose, your forehead and then your chin, and let it dry up for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you have this mixture and you have it dried up on your face, all you now have to do is rinse it off, and there you have it. You have a glowing skin. So the fourth thing we're going to talk about today is the glowing skin mask. So the natural exfoliating abilities of our skin is never always enough to take out those dead cells that gives us that glowing skin. So how can charcoal help us clear out our pores and give us our glowing skin? The first thing we need to do is add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into our mixture of charcoal powder and water, and then we apply it on our face, and then you leave it for about 15 minutes. When you've done this, all you have to do is rinse it off, and you get that glowing skin results you always wanted. So there you have it. If you follow these procedures I've stated, you realize you're going to unlock that beautiful self you never knew existed. And if you cannot go through all this process, you can also visit Jiji.ng to check for various masks, scrub and skincare products that you can use to achieve all these looks. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscription button below, and also click on the bell so whenever we have new content for you, you will always get it. And then you can follow us on all our social media pages and visit us on Jiji.ng. Thank you.